Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this lovely Toyota Auris. Now of course this car is a self-charging hybrid and you do get your LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors, you get these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, we also have your rear parking sensors with a reversing camera at the top just there. We have plenty of space inside the tailgate with 60/40 split, completely flat folding rear seats. And then you can also pull out the privacy shelf to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car we have this lovely grey leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric automatic windows all around, keyless entry and start. We then also have your automatic gearbox in the middle just here. Front heated seats are here as well, so you can see them there. We've got climate control in the front with air conditioning. You've then got your infotainment display, which as you can see comes with Bluetooth, CD, iPod, USB. And then you also get AM, FM, DAB auxiliary. And then of course you also have your satellite navigation in there as well. Over to the steering wheel. You have your onboard computer controls just to the left on here with your media as well. Just down below you've got mute, return, display, so you can change that as well, what you would wish to view, and then that will, other side will then control other features. You got your voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free on the right, automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and then as you can see this Auris has only done 55,232 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Auris, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.